In this quick video tutorial guide, I will show you how to connect your webmail with Gmail. So you can very easily use your webmail through Gmail application. So let's dive in. At first, you have to go to your Gmail, and here you have to click on the setting tab at the top, then click on see all settings. It will take you to the next page. From this page, you have to click on account and import, and here you have to click add another email address under the send mail edge. Okay. So if I click here, it will ask me to write my email address that I want to connect and the name. So let me write my email address. My name is correct, so I just click on next step. Then here it will ask you to add SMTP server and the port, as well as your email address and the password. So I added my email address, my password, as well as I have to add the SMTP server. So if you don't have your SMTP server, feel free to ask your email provider about the SMTP server. So they will give you the SMTP server and the port as well. So for my SMTP server, I have to write this information since my email is hosted on Hostinger, and for the port I will keep it as it is, which is 587, since I am using TSL, which is recommended. But for SSL, you can ask your email provider what will be the port. Usually it's 465, but you can always ask your email provider about the port. Once you added this information, just click on the add account, and then it will send you an email on your email address, which is your webmail. There you have to click on the link that Gmail send you. If I go to my email, here I have to log in. Let me get into there. And here you can see Gmail just send me an email. So I just click here, and then here's the link that I have to click to confirm it. Okay. So I am clicking it here and then confirm it, and that's it. And now finally you'll have to come here again and refresh the page. Once you refresh, you will see the email address has been added. Now you just have to make it default if you want to keep this webmail as your default email. So I'm clicking it as my default email. Now if I go and compose my email, you will see that this email will be added here as default email, and I can now send email to any person who has any email, and they can also reply to my email address. Okay, it was just for sending email from your Gmail to any email using the webmail. But now I will show you how to set up to receive any emails on your webmail from any other email. So to do this, you'll have to come here again on accounts and import. Then here is the thing where you have to add a email account for checking mails from other accounts. So I am going to click here, add a mail account. Now here you'll have to write your email that you would like to connect. Let me write my domain email, then click next, and here it will ask you to choose import emails from my other account, which is pop3. So I choose it and then click next. Here it will ask you to use your username and the password. So I am using my username, which is my email, and the email password. My pop server is pop.hostinger.com, and for the pop I will have to use 993, and then I always want to retrieve message on the server as a copy. Then I will use the SSL when retrieving email, and the level will be with this email. It's okay, and that's it. Then you can just click on the add account. Okay, it's saying there was a problem connecting to the pop hostinger, so I will have to use the default 110, and I have to add my password again. Then I will use 110 as the port. I will choose all the other options. Still it's giving me the error to connect with the pop server. Let me check once again if I am using the correct port. Okay, I talked with my email provider and they said my pop port is 995. So I selected 995 and then click on add account. And now it should work. Let's see if now it's working here, and you can see the email account has been added here to receive email from other accounts. Now, if you come to your homepage of your Gmail, you can check all of your messages that you have sent from the sent box, and you can also check the incoming email here on the level tab. for this particular email. Okay, so that's how you can add and manage your webmail through Gmail. I hope this video will help you a lot. If it does, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.